calling the Easter egg, and I'm Zai. And this is my mom, B.
Okay. So.
And today I go color Easter eggs. Have red, blue, purple, another blue, red, and white, and pink.
Ooh, that's pretty. How did you make that one?
Add with some herbs, with some pink.
Oh, okay.
Now we gotta make the other ones.
You put butter in it already?
Okay.
Huh?
It's pretty.
Ooh, that is so cute. What color is that one?
Red and blue.
Okay.
It's a red one. And
So what color is your favorite?
blue. And red.
Which one is your favorite?
And blue.
Which one of these are your favorite Easter egg?
Yes.
Which one is your
so
favorite
much-
Easter egg?
A lot of them.
A lot of them. You have to pick one that's your favorite color. Do you like any of these?
Yeah!
Which one is your favorite?
You put butter in the rice yet?
Hope it can't do nothing.
Okay, so what colors do you have? This one is, I think this one is purple. So let's put this one in here again.
This is purple.
Okay, leave that one there. This one is, I don't know, so let's make it more blue. Let's put more blue on it.
I didn't know.
You can put this one in another color again because it's not that dark.
Yeah, it's not that dark. But it's cool here.
Let's make a tie-dye egg.
Yeah, tie-dye egg.
You know what a tie-dye egg is?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a tie-dye egg to
What?
make like it. I want to do it.
We're just gonna drop different colors on it. That's enough. That's enough.
This milk. Ooh, look at it.
I know.
It's gonna dry. I want to do that.
Okay, that's enough. And let's do yellow.
Wow, that is so great. Can I do it?
You can put some on that one. Wow, look at that egg.
Oh, I want to put
And put a drop of green.
a drop of green. Ah, a blue. Hey, a blue.
Wow, that's good. That's good.
It's so pretty.
Oh, you like it?
Mhm.
What color is that? What color is that?
Green.
Okay.
Now I'm trying to do the other ones.
You want to do the other ones?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to make more tie-dye eggs. So let me just drip.
Can I?
Wait, you can do it after me. That's good. Let me give you another color. Let me give you another color. You can do this one.
Okay.
So you can do this one on that one. Give it one drop. It's good. It's good.
This looks so pretty.
I know. So
Now-
cool.
It means supper.
No, we don't need that one. All right, we can do green. Let's mix green. Let me open it.
Oh, it's licking.
I know, the yellow leaking.
Ooh.
All right, so we can put more green in there. So let's put these other green ones back in there.
I want to put green.
That one. To get them a little darker. Oh, look at your pretty colors. You can put one more green. Let's do
This.
not that one.
I want to do.
You can do this one.
Oh. Can I just?
Put it in there.
It's gotta sit.
Okay,
a
you see.
little.
We have to let it sit. So what do you want to tell YouTube while you wait? Do you want to tell the camera Happy Easter? Tell them. Tell YouTube Happy Easter.
Happy Easter! And already coming.
Ooh. Let's put a decoration on it.
A decoration? Okay. Can I put a decoration?
Let's use this one.
I want to do it. Can I do this one?
I'm about to play too.
Oh, wow. Ooh, look at these. So cool. These are so cool. Ooh, look at this dark blue egg. Oh. Wow, look at that.
It's scattered a lot.
These are some cool eggs. Okay, that's good. That's good. You made some really cool eggs.
Can I do this one?
So now it's time. No, we can't do any more. So now it's time to put all of the eggs in the cartons. They're ready now. Here you go.
Thank you. Wait a second.
You're welcome. So you can take them out and put it in a carton.
I
Wow.
want to do it.
Do it.
I want to.
Ooh, those are so cool. Fix them right.
These eggs.
These, take these out. Take them all out. Ooh, look at that one. That is so cool. You made some really pretty eggs. I'm so proud of you.
How?
You can use your hand.
No,
You don't want to?
because I don't want to get blistered. I want another one.
All right, put it there. You made some really cool eggs. These are the coolest eggs.
Yay!
Wow, you're a big girl.
I can take these out.
What color is that?
Boo boo. You gotta do these.
Did you take these out? Is one more in there? Ooh, you have the coolest eggs. So once you take all the eggs out, I'll fold it out. Ooh. What color is that? What color is that?
I'm putting them on chairs.
What color is it? So did you get all the green eggs out? Okay.
Nice!
They're finished. There's nothing in there. It's finished.
It's something in here.
Is something in there?
Wait, is something in here?
Nothing in there either. So you only have the ones that are in here.
Look. I put to make it move.
Ooh, how cool.
It's sponge. It's sponge. Kibble. Kibble
Okay.
shy.
Okay. Right, you did really good. Give me a high
Thumbs
five.
up to our channel, and you want the Z and that show, clicking the subscribe right there or right there. If you don't get the subscribe, you don't click it right there.
Okay.
And channel, bye.